This is a walkthrough of the Ashford Writing Center APA template. The APA template can be used as a starting point for your own written papers. It also provides you with information, links, and guidance to help you with academic writing. As you look further into the paper, you will see guidance for creating an outline, writing your thesis statement, and writing tips such as the pie paragraph technique, which is particularly helpful when preparing to develop and write a paper. The Ashford Writing Center APA template also gives you important links to learn more about APA formatting, including how to cite other authors' work and how to use quotations. Finally, it provides you with formatting tips on how to develop a reference section. Here is an example on how to reference your textbook. Further down are examples for referencing online journal articles. And toward the bottom are examples of references for YouTube videos and web pages, including sites without authors or dates. Let's go back up and examine APA formatting in more detail. On the title page, notice that the title of the paper, the class information, your name, instructor's name, and date are centered and not bolded. The title of the paper is in title case, meaning that every word is capitalized except for the preposition. In this case, of is not capitalized, but all other words are. All information on the title page is double-spaced. In fact, all APA formatted documents are double-spaced throughout the paper. Also notice at the top there is something called a running head, with the title of the paper just to the right of that. The running head is an APA requirement. Let's look at the running head in more detail. Notice that the words running head are in sentence case, meaning only the first word is capitalized. However, the title itself is in all caps and is not bolded. Finally, notice that the words running head with a colon just after that are only at the top of the title page, but only the title is at the top of the rest of the paper. If you're using the APA template to develop your own class paper, you'll need to change the title in the header. To do this in Microsoft Word, triple-click into the header area, and now you're able to modify that header. You will also need to change the running head on the next page. Once you make these changes, the running head will be generated throughout the rest of the paper. Careful not to erase the page number. If you erase the page number in the header, all page numbers throughout the paper will also be deleted. Once you've updated your running head, to get out of Microsoft Word Header tool, you triple-click back into the body of your paper, and you're back on the page. Let's continue to examine the APA formatting in this template. Let's go now to the body of the paper. Notice that the title is centered and in title case, but is not in bold font. Also notice there is no space between the paper title and the first paragraph. Here we are at the first paragraph, which is indented by 5 spaces. Microsoft Word calls the 5-space indent first line special, meaning that the first line is indented by 5 spaces, then the rest of the lines of the paragraph are left justified. The next level of heading is left justified, and it's in bold and sentence case. For more information on APA levels of heading, click the link in the template to go to the Ashford Writing Center page on APA headings. That's it for the tutorial on the Ashford APA template. The file is available on the Ashford Writing Center website. Once you download it, use it as a guide and template for your own Ashford papers. Thank you.